Welcome back to ciLiving, where I'm on location at Hands Family Dental, and I've got Dr. Lindsay Hands joining me now. You're in a brand new location. Tell me about your recent move.
Yes, we are. We're really excited about it. We moved in here on January 6th was our first day here, and we're really excited to offer a brand new space to all of our patients. We tried to keep it really comfortable and friendly, but also incorporate a lot of the latest technologies.
Yeah, and speaking of latest technologies, what are some of the different services that you provide your patients?
Well, we're a general dental practice here, so we provide all of the usual services, cleanings, we do fillings, we do aesthetic dentistry, crowns, bridges, implants, all of that stuff. We also do offer nitrous oxide to our patients, and we offer dental services for the treatment of snoring and sleep apnea.
Which is part of the Illinois homepage Premium Health Connection.
Correct.
So why don't we go take a look around and get a tour?
Okay, great.
All right, so now we're in the sterilization area, which I'm sure is very important.
That's correct. This is where we clean and sterilize all of our instruments that we use to work on the patients. We've invested a lot of money in making sure this is the latest and greatest technology to make sure that our patients are kept safe, make sure our infection control is all up to date, and it's something that we really pride ourselves on here.
Okay, well let's go check out where you actually do all of your dental work.
Let's do it.
In one of your brand new rooms here. So talk a little bit about what we're looking at.
Yeah, this is one of our treatment rooms here, our patient chair. We use all digital technology here. We have all digital x-rays, which minimizes the patient's exposure to radiation. We have nitrous oxide available for patients who may be uncomfortable with dental treatment. That's just something that helps to calm them down.
Is that also known as laughing gas?
That is correct, yes.
Okay, gotcha.
Yes. So it's very helpful for some patients, especially kids or pediatric patients, just to get them to calm down and sit still so we can do the work without any pain or discomfort.
Yeah, okay. And then earlier we were talking about you specializing in helping patients that may have sleep apnea. So what are some of the risk factors? Because anybody could have sleep apnea issues.
Correct. Anybody can have sleep apnea. Sort of the stereotype that people think about is older, overweight men. But in reality, anybody regardless of age, gender, or body type can have sleep apnea. Some other risk factors include a large neck size. So if your neck is larger than 17 inches in diameter for men or 16 for women, that's an increased risk. Having high blood pressure puts you more at risk. Other things that might put you at increased risk are a habit of smoking and also a family history of sleep apnea with other relatives.
All right, and so some people, they just can't handle that CPAP machine, which is what you normally think of for people who have sleep apnea.
Right.
So you've got some devices, or I guess appliances, that would help those patients. So what have we got here?
Right, well, as you said, the CPAP really is the gold standard for the treatment of sleep apnea, and it's what you should wear if you can. But a lot of people just cannot tolerate a CPAP machine for whatever reason. They think it's uncomfortable, or the mask leaks, or they just can't keep it on at night. So these appliances are sort of the second line of defense if you can't wear a CPAP machine. All of these appliances that we use in our office are FDA approved for the treatment of sleep apnea, and each of them, they're a little bit different, but they have two main components, one that fits over the upper teeth, one part that fits over the lower teeth, and the way that they fit together actually holds your lower jaw forward, and it helps to open up your throat that way so you can get air properly while you're sleeping.
Oh, very interesting, because you wouldn't think that a simple appliance like that could provide the oxygen as well as the CPAP machine, but these would be great options.
Yeah, it doesn't provide oxygen, it just allows your throat to become more open so that you can breathe normally.
Yeah, and you've got a great trained staff here, all trained in sleep apnea.
Yeah, our staff, it became a passion for me whenever my husband was diagnosed with it to learn more about it. My staff and I have gone to many hours of continuing education with snoring and sleep apnea, and we're excited to provide the service to our patients.
Yeah, okay, well we're excited you have a brand new location. Remind everybody where you're located
We
here.
are located at 2918 Crossing Court, Suite A in Champaign, and that's in Robeson Crossing.
All right, thanks so much for having us out here. It's Dr. Lindsay Hands with Hands Family Dental, and if you need any more information, head to illinoishomepage.net, where it's all a part of the Premium Health Connection. We'll be right back.